Hi, my name is David. I'm here to talk about my portion of Samaritan's Purse. So, starting with the website, you look under the Give section. This kind of pulls up some of the ways to, donate to the organization. They have many ways to give. I was just going to go through some of the non-cash ways right away. So, they got memorial giving, non-cash giving, IRA stocks, wills, and if you don't have anything to give, you can always volunteer your time. Memorial giving. So you can set up a page in someone's honor, or if you wanted to donate. They have many other memorial of individuals who have passed that you can donate to, or if you want to set up your own in memory of someone, you can do that. Some of the non-cash giving, kind of go into some more details. You can donate things like vehicles, some of your assets, gift cards, other items. As far as like the legacy planning tools, um, these are kind of ways to give that are also tax incentive. You can make a will, charitable gift, stocks. Give some of your IRA, some asset-based giving. So it's many ways to donate to the organization. If you don't have any assets or money, but you do have a lot of time, it's just as important. You can just volunteer. Disaster relief. We've had hurricanes throughout the years. So you can go down, assist, hand out food, water, or help, with construction, build broken down houses, or help rebuild. They do have Operation Christmas Child. You typically see this every year during Christmas at your local church with the shoebox and send it to many children who don't get Christmas gifts or just a World Medical Mission.